In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Store not opening. We'll walk through a quick series of checks and resets that address the most common causes like time sync issues, a corrupted cache, or services that aren't running. Keep your internet connection active throughout and follow along step by step. Start by opening the Settings app. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together. In Settings, go to Time and Language on the left, then choose Date and Time. Here, toggle. Set time automatically off, wait a moment, and toggle it back on. An incorrect system clock can break secure connections the store relies on, so this simple refresh often helps. Next, scroll down to Additional Settings and click Sync Now. This forces Windows to check the time server and realign your clock, which is essential for the store to authenticate properly. Now, let's clear the store cache. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type wsreset.x, then press Enter or click OK. A blank black command prompt window will appear. Don't close it. After about 10 to 30 seconds, it will close on its own and the Microsoft Store should launch fresh with a completely cleared cache. If it doesn't pop up automatically, try opening the store manually once the window disappears. If the store still won't open, we'll repair its registration. Right-click the Start button and select Terminal Admin or Windows PowerShell Admin. Approve the prompt to allow changes. In the window that opens, paste the line of code shown on screen and press Enter. This command re-registers the Microsoft Store and its related components. Let it finish. You may see some progress messages. When it's done, close the window and try opening the store again. If you're still stuck, we'll check a supporting service. Press the Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. In the services list, scroll to the bottom and find Windows Update. Double-click it. Make sure the startup type is set to manual or automatic because the store uses parts of the Windows Update infrastructure to download and install apps. If the service status shows stopped, click Start, then click Apply to save the change. At this point, try launching the Microsoft Store once more. With your time synchronized, the cache cleared, the app re-registered, and Windows Update running, most launch issues are resolved. If you found this helpful, follow along for more quick fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.